think when he gets that first home run out of the way, I think things will fall into place a little better for him too. Oh, just like that.
Deep and gone. Marcell Ozuna, a 2-run shot. 6-0 Miami. And let's hope things fall into place. They certainly did on that sequence.
Let it fall into place. That ball was rocketed out of here. Ichiro can kid him. They have a great relationship. Ichiro can say, well, you've got as many as I do now.
Yeah, it's a silent treatment.
The silent treatment.
Yeah, see, now the relievers love that. They get to even do the silent treatment. I don't know that anyone's given him a high five or a pat on the back yet. He's just suffering there right now.
And you're right. The bullpen gets to be a part of it.
Look at Gordon is over there saying, can I shake his hand, please? Still, this is the longest silent treatment I think I've ever seen. Who's going to crack first? Look at Ozuna's. He's looking for somebody.
He's like
oh, now he's patting guys on the back. Still nobody. Still no love. That's a pretty good illustration of what that clubhouse is like right now.